Parol Festival. Dahil yung Parol Festival na yan will ensure na yung 3 generation parol makers ay i-continue nila yung hanap buhay nila. This is hanap buhay ng isa naming barangay, Barangay Ialdana. At August pa lang, nagawa na sila ng parol para tamang-tama ibebenta nila ng November in time for December. So, by doing this Parol Festival, we are ensuring that yung aming 3 generation parol making will continue to the next generation. And at the same time, it is also a way by which we train our school children in street dancing para kung sila'y maimbita sa ibang lugar, marunong din sila. And at the same time, nadidevelop din yung creativity nila kasi nakakagawa sila ng magandang costume, nakakasayaw sila, at in a way, nag-unite din yung aming mga public schools